Alright, you guys, it is time to get started on this beautiful 74 Corvette. Well, as you can see right now, I've got the drive shaft out of this car, as well as the rear leaf spring. So what we're going to be doing is dropping this whole rear differential, and we are going to be rebuilding the diff plus getting the drive shafts reconditioned, as well as changing the rear suspension. So we're going to drop this whole rear differential assembly. It's going to get some trailing arm bushings as well, so these tend to be rusted in there pretty heavily. And up in there is the trailing arm bushings, so they're pretty rusted in there, so most likely I'm going to have to cut them out. It's another area in this car to show you how bad it is. Now, these yokes are actually supposed to have a snap ring inside the differential that retains them. Now, these are so worn out, obviously the snap ring's broken off or something, but this yoke is actually popped out of the differential. Now, we're going to rebuild this. We're going to put a new pin in it and try to get rid of that backlash that this yoke has, and try to fix all that. So we'll start tearing this stuff apart and see what we find. Alright, so here's the drive shaft. Look at that. Watch it move in and out. That's not supposed to happen. Alright, let's take this thing apart. Happened to that snap ring. Alright, so looking at the differential, through the side you have your side yoke. It's got a groove cut in this where a snap ring lives. That keeps the yoke from popping outward. However, from there, the center pin that rides from the top to bottom of this carrier rides right there, so it's locked in place basically between the snap ring and that pin. So if you take a look inside here, see if I can rotate it, you can see the side yoke, or at least what's left of it right there. Zoom in a little bit. Alright, so that side yoke right there, as you can see, there's not even a groove for a snap ring. So that snap ring got heavily eaten up. And now this yoke is mushroomed out, so we're gonna have to use a slide hammer and pull this baby out. Well, that pretty much sums it up for right now. You know, we've got the car ready to go back together. We're going to start tearing that differential down a little further, clean it up, paint it, make it look nice. And you can see behind me, we've got a plethora of parts that's going on this guy right here. So stay tuned. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and we will be back at it again tomorrow on this 74 project. So if you were looking at all these boxes behind me, this is about half of the stuff that's going on. So I've tried to lay most of it out on the table. We've got some more parts over there, and we've got some more parts inside the office. So don't forget to check back, and we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks for watching.